my hair was breaking, strands were breaking, and a lot of it was shedding out too. And that was different for me because I always had a great deal of hair. And recently this happened. And it was very upsetting, you know. And I went online and I found Tomy B because it had a great many very positive recommendations. The reviews were all fantastic. First thing that happened today was that the color was corrected, and then I was recolored. And then I got 2 separate kinds of treatments. And then my hair was blown out. My hair hasn't looked this good in decades. I am thrilled. I'm just thrilled.